How's it going, folks? This is Cody again with C&C Contracting. This is step 2 to mudding the drywall joints. As you can see, we already did some sanding. There's some dust kind of floating around in the video here. But basically what we're doing is we taped the drywall after hanging it, and then we went ahead and put our first coat of mud on and hit all of our nail holes. And now we're just going to go over that first coat of mud that we put on those joints with some 100 grit sandpaper, and we're just going to go over it real lightly. I'll show you guys how to do that now. So you usually start in the middle and just kind of go up, and then you just want to knock off any excess that's on there, smooth it out a little bit, get your nail holes. And then sometimes there's like a beveled in right here where the mud box stopped, or your mud knife. I just kind of put it on the same sideways, just kind of hit that side, getting the bottom, and just smoothing it out. Making it nice and smooth for us to be able to come along with your knife, or in our case, mud boxes. And then it doesn't mess anything up. Nice to leave it smooth and almost with a finishing touch. And that's basically it. You just go through your whole area. And just hit it with some 100 grit. I like to use 100 grit. You could get something a little better. People say that sometimes that 100 grit will leave scratches in your mud. Even if that were the case, we're going to be recoating, so it'll fill that in anyhow. But honestly, I haven't had any big issues with using 100 grit sandpaper. The mud that we're using is dust control mud. Honestly, never really used it that much. But we went ahead today and we used it. Basically, it does slim down on the drywall dust just a little bit. It's supposed to give heavier chunks that come off of the wall, and they're supposed to just hit the ground directly rather than just kind of floating in the air. But if you can, I don't know if you can see and hear it all, but there is some little particles that are still floating around. So I'm not real sold on the whole dust control mud, but it's a little bit harder to sand. It's not usually what we use, and I don't know that we'll continue to use it again on other projects. But that's it. That's how you sand your walls, preparing them for your second coat of mud. See ya.